I am quite honored to be identified as the person I am. You rank my intellectual capabilities highly, and I give thanks. Most people are too distracted and don't easily see this, even when you are the realist right in front of them face. Simply, it's because they are distracted and attracted to all that is fake. Sometimes close ones aren't so close, they seem the furthest. Pretending to be a fan but never once gave you encouraging words yet. Folks far away will rate you highly, supporting your talents, wanting you to shine brightly. I love you sincerely, I'm telling you clearly. My heart of hearts I give to you. I wish I could embrace you all and sit with you. Your kind support was what helped me grow. I need you to know I glow as I go. You motivate me strongly more than you ever know. These words I share is to show appreciation and thanks. Tell them precisely. I dedicate this poem to all my fans. It was a pleasure having you here. Maximum love and respect in every aspect. You know the journey continue. Tell them so we never stop. Check in Sunday again. I'll be here at 5 on the TDP show. Big respect. What heap of love, guidance, and protection. Embrace on yourself because it's a new moment in time.